Hey folks, Kevin here. Well, it's October 23rd, 2022. Today we need to get to potting up some of the plants that we dug up 4 days ago. Some that we dug up yesterday, but some 4 or 5 days ago and all. So Thea and I are out here.
Hi guys, good to see you. It's beautiful outside.
That's my bubbly wife, and I'm grumpy.
You're gonna have fun today. Woo-hoo!
So in Optimus Maximus, I went out and got a bucket load of compost, and that makes it easier to make a potting station here. In Mini Me, we went out and got a bucket load of the hardwood double ground mulch. Now, of course, this is the bottom of the pile. It still works just fine. We can mulch the surface of them because there will be some weed seeds that will come up in the compost. In the back of Pepe, we have various sized buckets that we're going to use. We've got our hose out here, and here's the first pile here. These are gooseberry plants here. Most of these are captivator. There are a few in Vinca as well, but we're going to go through this. These are the ones that I dug up from all along the kennel panels along this side over here a few days ago. So hopefully we posted the video how we modified this whole system and got the honeyberries planted in there. So we're going to go ahead and pot up these gooseberry plants here now. We got ourselves a nice little workstation. We'll have some big pots and some small pots. So here we go. Okay, well, we just finished up potting up all of the gooseberry plants, and we potted up some maples, and we potted up the small honeyberries as well. So cameras ran out, time lapse by then. But this system really works well using a couple of front end loaders, one with the compost, one with the mulch, to prevent weed development later on. Bunch of the maples here, maples over there, all along in here. These are all the gooseberry plants that we just potted up. Some of the honeyberries here. More honeyberries down there. What do you say, hon?
We say it was a busy day and we love it.
She says she loves it. I don't think she loves it.
I do.
Oh, Lord. And one little oak tree, too. So, that about finishes it up for today's video. Potting up was an all-day adventure. Not as back-breaking as some of the other adventures we've been on. It's just time to clean up now, water things, and get ready for dinner. I hope you folks enjoyed this, watching the process and all. And if you did, give us a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and by all means, folks, take good care of yourselves and each other. Bye-bye now.